Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gate to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion,
Say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I think no. They let me put that, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, still kingdom come. Let's do it, loyalty, 'cause I'm taking what you see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Let's do it, loyalty, 'cause I'm taking what you see.
Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are locked and loaded. It's going to be a good one. There's going to be a lot of energy. It's going to be aggressive. There's going to be some tears. It's just a thing of whose side are you going to be on. We're going for the hat trick today, baby. Hope you guys are ready. Chris, how you feeling, bro?
I'm manifesting the hat trick. We received the hat trick. We received the hat trick. Thank you.
Guys, we did it last week, the hat trick, and let's see if we can do it again. But other than that, guys, before we get into the good stuff, as you know, Chris, you're gonna open us up with prayer, bro.
I will. Chad, let's get ready here for another great session. Just gonna lower the volume here. Father, we just want to thank you for another beautiful day here. Thank you for each and every member joining us here every single day. I pray that you will guide Keegan here today as he leads us into the session. We pray for wisdom. We pray for a clear mind. We pray for your will to be done in everything in our life, in our business, in everything we do. And we pray this so that we can bring glory to your name. And we just want to thank you for your grace, your mercies, your blessings, and always just looking out for us. And we just pray for your angels to form a hedge of protection around us here at the office, our families, everyone watching, everyone hearing our voice, their families as well. And we just want to say thank you, Father, and we pray this in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen. There we go, Chad. You guys know we're locked in for greatness now. Let's see what we can get into. So, right, guys, let's start off fundamentals. What is on the cards for us today? I'm not going to lie to you guys. I think pretty much, thanks so much. I think everything is going to be basically done and dusted by the time the news comes out. You obviously got crude oil inventories at 430. Again, you guys know I'm not a big fan of that. I don't think it's really going to do much for us. And then tonight, the FOMC meeting minutes. Not a big event for those guys that till today still don't understand. This is not FOMC. This is just the minutes.
Sorry, Key, but will you be trading the FOMC? Sorry, I had to. Sorry.
We'll drop a signal there for the guys in Prodigy. But that's at 8 o'clock, guys. So for me, quite frankly, you are a DJ if you're trading still 8 o'clock at night. So I'm off the charts long before that. So again, some clear sailing for us. So let's head over to the charts and see what are we in for. So DXY, guys, we spoke about this. We are very, very much... why are my charts off like that? Is that right now? Okay, a little bit too much.
Your chart looks
My
very big.
charts are,
wait.
yeah.
Chart.
Oh, it's because it's on the economic calendar.
Oh, damn. All right.
That's
damn,
like-
ski. Okay.
I'm looking at it on the screen. I'm like, what's going on here? There we go. I can still just correct this a little bit now. There we go. Should be good, Chad. But as you were saying, so DXY, what are we looking at there for the day? And personally, again, we said we are very, very much bearish. The whole reason we took a neutral outlook today is very, very simple, Chad. We traded, obviously, we talk about these zones, these key levels, these ranges we trade between. We obviously broke 101.550. Funny enough, this was actually the target for almost the week. And I said to you guys, if we get some type of day, because the past has shown us where we have a kind of quiet news week, everyone expects slow moves, and that we have actually big moves. So we marked out the next area saying, hey, you know what, 100, 900 is actually a nice target for us. And it's Wednesday, and we've already hit both of those levels. So dollar dropping at a very, very fast rate. As we did, we spoke about it, that again, we are going to see the impact of what that 2.9 meant with that CPI last week. This is all coming to fruition now. That 2.9 and that low NFP number, the higher unemployment rate, this is where we are all seeing it come into effect now. So we are already so far down on the Wednesday. Again, how far bearish can you go? Yes, only 3 candles, but these are big candles on the DXY. So that's why we want to just be like, listen, there can be a possible pullback. As I said, guys, literally something like this, a little type of candle and then bearish again after that. This is again a major weekly key level, and that's why we anticipate an idea. We could just see that we have tested it, a bit of price closing almost exactly how it is now. So other than that, I'd want to see a bearish move. And when we go down on the lower time frame, again, this is where it lines up for us. So on the 15th today, basically, as we said, touching that level, bouncing off of it, Asia highs, break of Asia highs, holding Asia highs. The daily pivot is what turned it around back into the Asia highs. And we said if it can hold and close underneath Asia highs, most likely it's going for Asia lows, which is back at that 100, 900. And again, probability tells us we are going to go further down below. So already, for me, as I did say, I'm neutral. The way price is trading now, we are most likely looking for that weak dollar going into the New York session. So over to the indices, what does that mean for us over here? NASDAQ, I said to you guys, I am still pretty much bullish as much as we closed above here. Did close bearish, but a little bit of a mix up in that zone. There's a good chance of a pullback, and that's why I said to you guys, I am bullish. You guys can see it on the weekly, the daily. If you're in the London session, I spoke about this, how we had a poor earnings from the smaller companies on NASDAQ, allowing this major pullback. Now coming back up again, the big boys, the ones that are carrying NASDAQ, are only next week, and this allows for the rest of this week that bit of a pullback to, again, we said the monthly pivot, which is a major breakaway that hasn't been tested, to be tested before we can continue bullish in the bigger picture. So I am bullish, but we want to just be aware of that possible pullback. This 4 hour, the fact we came back down, holding this, coming back up, if this 4 hour likes to trade again like we see over here, on the 1 hour already, if we can see any type of closures getting above here, I think NASDAQ is gone. It's going back up, for example, the daily R1. So again, we are bullish, but we just want to keep our eyes open for those possible sells. The USD, the same thing. We are bullish. We did have a bit of a pullback, same as NASDAQ. But again, not really in a major low. We kind of are consolidating here. So again, quite frankly, when we look at this, we always talk about these moves. There's your accumulation. This was your manipulation move, purely being you had the bigger move to the downside, 1 wick on the top, but a big downwards move and about another second candle and a third candle trading underneath before getting back into the level. The 4 hour, we can also the same thing. There was your break back above this level, this little highs here, continuing above the Asia highs. Now you can look for that possible move. You've literally traded down. Again, catching a few good sells this morning. You can now bounce off the EQ, back in the range, holding Asia highs, and the move to the top side. So I am bullish. We're going to see what the T2, the firecracker, whatever you want to call it, has in sights for us. We're going to have a look at that a little bit. And then lastly, gold. Gold, guys, as I said, I am bearish. That's hence the neutral outlook. But the big thing for me is, again, we still are under that monthly R1. The 4 hour, this is where it gets good for me, is the fact that we traded down, had this little bit of a wick here, trading bullish. So for me personally, you can still even trade back up to this monthly R1 to retest it again. Breakaway candle needs to retest, just a wick retest. So for example, that daily pivot and then that downwards momentum. So on the 15, what I'm going to be looking for is, again, very, very simple with gold here today. You can see the 200. If we can get above the monthly R1, daily pivot, EQ, all on top of each other. So we know this is a major level for price here. This 25.14. If we can get above this, happily, it's buys. So any type of closures above with retest and candle closures above, buys. We retest and have candle closures and resistance underneath, I'm selling. Very, very simple with gold there today. But that is everything from my side. Over to you, Chris.
Beautiful. Thanks, Keeks. All right, let's just get basically exactly the same. I'm not going to repeat myself, but dollar continuing bearish. Asia lows untested. Traded a little bit above, rejected daily pivot, rejected at 200. Asia highs becoming the resistance now. Previous daily low, once we clap that, we're going to Asia lows and then continuing lower. All right. US City, a little bit of a mixed bag here for me. We took the shorts a little bit earlier today once we broke back inside of the Asia range. Beautiful trade down to the EQ, now holding above Asia highs. Weird thing for me is I would actually love for price to trade back here, Chad. Believe it or not, I wanted to actually dip into the zone down here. So that is, I'm hoping the T2 gives us a sell here today. That's going to be awesome. Again, we're not saying we're bearish on the day, but it can pull back down here and then start pushing up. Something similar to yesterday, maybe a little bit of a deeper dip and then coming back up. That's my idea. So watch Asia. Asia. Why did I feel like Asia highs to come back to come back in the range. Nasdaq a little bit of a chop here during the London session. We've got daily pivot EQ down here, 200 EMA all the way down there. So beautiful to see. Nasdaq looking relatively bullish, Chad. Not going to lie to you. The way that it's trading is a little bit more clearer than US 30 because the moves to the upside from these lows 10 to 12 was a beautiful, beautiful push to the upside. And then a nice retest into the zone and now trading back up. So it is creating some... I don't want to sound like that guy, but it is creating some liquidity that can get clapped here a little bit earlier or a little bit later into the session. Gold, very, very simple. I told you guys, weird thing for me looking back on Monday. Remember I told you guys Monday, doing exactly the same thing, trading below the 200, coming back in the Asia range, then holding that 200 EMA there beautifully. If we get something similar here today after the open, I'm definitely going to look at going long again. Remember what I told you guys, I'm still looking or I'm still liking the potential for that daily wick fill. If we don't get it, that's fine. What will potentially happen then is this daily candle will close something like this, a minor structure break, and you will actually see gold trading down for the rest of the week till Friday, okay? Jackson Hole coming up, I think it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so that's going to be a big one. Looking at the grids here, very simple, similar to what Keegan is looking at, is that if we hold this previous weekly high, beautiful, that's first check done. All right, first check done. Second check is we need to get above this 200 EMA. I don't know if Edski is in the chat here, but Ed, little turtle back wave, yeah, what is it? Turtleneck. The turtleneck strat here, giving you multiple opportunities to get long off the 200. Believe it or not, me and Ed actually sat last week right here next to me. We jotted down some stuff for the turtleneck here. Don't want to give too much away, but the turtleneck is potentially becoming something more of a staple as well in coming weeks. But for the scalp for me, Chad, is if we check all of these levels, first check done, boom. Second check, boom, get back in the Asia range. And then the final check for me EQ, daily pivot, monthly R1, and we are A for away. And the bulls can really step up and step in again, and we could see a nice move to the upside. Other than that, sells are still potentially there if we start rejecting Asia lows. Where's the grid? Right there. Okay, so this zone is still relevant. This zone was relevant this morning. It's relevant now still. Okay, so that's going to be the one zone. But Chad, that is me. That is me. Simple kicks. Let's see if we can do better here with the horn. Oh, that was good.
Sorry.
No, bro, that was horrific.
It's like I gotta try and move the mic, and then you throw it at the mic, bro.
That was horrific.
But yeah, Jex, I can't confirm with you, bro. We're still waiting for our signal candle, so I can't tell you if it's a sell yet.
I think it's a big turtleneck wave. Where's the...
So already, Jex, I think as much as it is, as I say, I don't know if you've got it figured out 100%, because as you say, there's a candle we wait for. So if you've already got the signal and there's no candle yet.
We've literally told the guys the candle.
No, we only did, remember the one night on the Project G stuff, the one call. We ended recording.
I actually said it in the one live stream. So if the guys picked it up, they should know by now.
Yeah, Chris just wants to always keep giving to the Chad, yeah.
But let's see.
That one candle.
I thought Jake's knew by now, the candle. Jake's asked Fubs, he knows.
Hey, the boys giving our stuff out, yeah.
Chat to Fubs. Fubs knows the candle. Fubs could charge you 5k for that candle.
Hey, the boys. Dave for Papa Chris, ANF, the gems. What? A and F?
And what? A and F, the gems. What are you going to trade today? Roman, we're going to trade US30. How do new members catch up on stuff you may have already explained in your previous calls? There's education section, my brother. Let me just show you maybe just quickly what it looks like. There's an entire library.
Bugatti, are you in Project G?
I don't think he's in there.
That's the whole thing. Because a lot of guys want to always jump on the bandwagon like later on when they feel it's all amazing. The guys that are there from the start, they get the gems.
Okay, Bugatti, every single call we ever do is recorded and an announcement section. Education library, there's a ton of videos there, and yeah. And we even have Laz dropping bombs there.
Bum, 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 bum. Where's Laz?
Lazarus.
Oh, you mean in the chat?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Still waiting for the magic candle.
Dude, we're gonna have to get Peter what quest on these tables, man.
Only 50 people viewing. My favorite to hear. I know Papa Chris dropping the sauce. Bro, guys, I promise you, I'm gonna get the sound desk on my side, so that when Chris starts trying to just give out our info, yeah, I'm gonna cut him.
Mute me.
He's gonna get dropped there, boys.
Is fair value gap analysis worth exotic? Weirdly enough, now that you mention it, I saw the one trader last night posting he's the #1 internal fair value gap trader, and he was taking shots at ICT on Twitter. And honestly, I know what the internal fair value gap looks like, or what a fair value gap looks like, but the context, yeah, I don't know how far back you look. I don't know what the sequence is. I don't know if it's the same as with the other stuff that ICT does in terms of the kill zone and all of that. So exotic, I can't comment, my brother. I cannot comment. If there's maybe someone else in the chat, let me know. Is fair value gap something worth looking at? I think ultimately, if you're going to go, I actually want to do a reaction video on it, and I want to go back and see if those internal fair value gaps actually line up with something.
There you go. The signal is a buy. It's a buy. And that is what we wanted, Chad. Chris literally asked me before this. He said, what would I want to see from it? And I said, I'd love a buy. I'd love a buy.
My side, it's a sell, though.
Don't come with that, bro. Don't even try that. I know you and me have got our own little thing we look at now, so it cannot give us different ones.
Okay, it's a buy, baby. It's a buy. It's simple. Fair value gap suits you if it matches your trading. Yo, I don't know if that helps.
My question is always when it comes to the fair value gaps is the guys that are like learning the concepts like still don't really understand it, and then like they'll be like fair value gaps, and then it comes like there's 7 fair value gaps, and that's the case of so which one are you taking?
Wait.
And then they can't answer that question.
Is there an indicator for true fair value gaps? Let's check if fair value gaps.
It only happens in discount. So Jank plays. This is even a question. Even Jev used to have the arguments with guys on the stream, and they'd be like fair value gaps, and he'd be like, no, but that's not the one you take. You take this one. And like I said, I don't trade it. I don't use it. I don't trade it. So I don't know the full concept even in myself into it. But yeah.
Check. There's a nice indicator here for the fair value gaps.
Buy at market open.
No, Zeke.
Yo,
just wait, my brother.
Zeke, were you also the one yesterday? It was like yesterday.
it
was like
Zeke.
sell.
No, it wasn't Zeke.
Sell the market open.
No, I think it's the first time I've seen Zeke. I've never seen that name.
Oh, these guys just jump on. But you know what? I'm sorry, Zeke. I'm not trying to be at you now, bro. But so many guys literally just trying to get the market open, that quick spark. And it's like that gambling. Again, it's just you trying to do what CPR, like you want to be in, out in 1 minute, which again, the T2 is technically kind of like that. But it's a strategy that's using an idea. The open is so volatile. You really have no idea which way this thing's going to open up.
I think the internal fair value gap, Chad, correct me if I'm wrong, or the inverse fair value gap is, let's say you've got the fair value gap here now. This entire green box is a fair value gap. Then what it does is it actually punches through the fair value gap. It punches through and then it creates another fair value gap on this side. So it's a fair value gap in a fair, and then you sell this one instead of buying it. Am I right? I don't know. At this stage, I think we've got enough strategies to keep us busy for a while.
Yeah, my thing is, Ruben, exactly what you say, bro. I trade a very simple understanding of trading because my brain just doesn't comprehend this crap when you guys start going all these funny things. And at the end of the day, when we've looked at guys that trade, all the guys that are doing these crazy things that it looks like a bloody science project on their charts aren't profitable. So that's just, again, hate it, agree with me, don't agree with me. What I've done works. So again, I'm not saying this stuff doesn't. I just haven't ever seen someone purely use those concepts myself and actually make bag from it.
Now, look, if there's value in it, Chad, that's the thing. I think with any strat, it's purely about the consistency of following the rules of the strat. And if you are consistent with it, beautiful. There's no right or wrong way. We preach it here every single day, saying like there's no right or wrong way. If you trade a trend line, if you trade a third touch, there I told you guys, many years ago, you can ask Laz. Laz is in our community as well. Laz will tell you we murdered the market with the third touch. We absolutely annihilated it. Laz can tell you of some massive moves he made on a personal account. And then it stopped working, and then we got murdered the other way around, where the third touch was every third touch that we usually bought clapped to smithereens, and it is.
Yeah, it's interesting sometimes how it goes. But yeah, I think that's where you got to adapt, guys. Again, got to adapt. Chris and myself have spoke about this as a trader, and I think that's where experience always tops something. That trade, I think it was the last week Friday.
Yeah.
We took the buy,
And then we took the sell.
and then we took the sell. Literally the Thursday, we took a buy, re-entered a buy, and we caught it the second time because we knew that was valid. The Friday, we took a buy, then we adapted to take the sell and made a massive profit on the sell. Again, like, then we've changed from the initial version 1 of the strat to version 2, and it's been working. So you've got to just, I think, learn to adapt to the markets, even adapt the way you look and approach it with your strategy.
Fabs, just to give you an idea, SMT, is it SMT you're asking about? Yeah. They call it smart SMD, SMT, smart money technique, smart money divergence. It is where, for instance, look at what US30 did. US30 took out the high, but look at NASDAQ. It didn't take out the high. So that's what they call SMT. So if you were looking for shorts, you would short NASDAQ because NASDAQ did not take the liquidity. So it wasn't showing relative strength. So that is the SMT or the SMD there. So instead of shorting US30, you'll then short NASDAQ. So it's just a divergence between a localized high or liquidity, as the boys would say, that was taken. It's literally that. It's not. It sounds very cool, some SMT and this and that, but that's all it is.
Hi, Chris and Keegs. I never got any notifications today. For what? Bro, the thing is, okay, hold on. Everyone else got notifications, Jeezy. So keep in mind, as much as there's notifications, you also need to turn notifications on your phone, things like that.
When you hit that subscribe button, there's a bell icon.
No, I think he's in my Project G. I think he's in Project G.
Oh, really?
So, for example, the trades. But I'm just saying, bro, like, I think that's the notifications you're talking about. You guys, Firecrackers strategy is crazy. You guys can switch off charts all day, only come back at 3:15 to do analysis, execute at 15:30, close at 35:40, then go and do other business. Literally, bro, we really could, but we love hanging out here with you guys.
Crack is still 7 minutes. What is the crack?
Bro,
today?
to be fair, I was watching it today. It's a video. It's from another big Wall Street guy, like big boy, and I must say it was such a dope quote. I'm going to actually use it on one of my reels. The guy says, if you can give anyone trading advice, believe nothing that you hear, half of what you see, because the other half is always the illusion.
Sure.
And I was like, damn, bro. Like, if you think about that, especially in the trading world, like that's big stuff. And when I say, guys, this is a guy, he made $14 million in a day. He's a
40.
big 14.
14.
$40 million in a day.
Shit.
Like that's a good day for him. So like, this is a big boy. He's still in Wall Street today.
Market makers found you for the Project G. For the Project G guys, do you send a message before a possible trade? Peter, no. If the guys don't know by now to keep their phone at hand, I don't know. Like,
Peter, so they have an alert, like it's immediate. So I know a lot of guys spoke to us about the bots that we have, because people were like, they've been in other groups who also have the bots, but bro, you're looking at it, the strat. If you're looking at when we had the bot, people were like, yeah, they were in other groups, but the bot sends the message like 2 minutes late, and especially like how aggressive this is, you'd be late. And we've shown the guys, like, it is literally
instant.
1 second, and it's that bot sending that message on the group.
I don't even think it's a second. It's
Yeah,
like
it is.
instant.
It's instant. So I understand, yes, you might be, but again, like we are telling you, so the guys either make the most of it, sit here on the stream, you know it's quick now, so you literally know already, if we like, guys, we're going to be taking this now, we're just waiting for a candle closure, then you just wait, bang, take it. But yeah, otherwise you can still get the signal, but just understand, obviously your position will be a little bit off from us.
Do they use brokers? Yes, they do.
But they get, if I'm correct, Chris, correct me if I'm wrong, but they have special accounts for them, like servers and stuff.
Yeah. Chad, remember when
They're not
you're
on the normal
trading
guy's
when you're
server.
trading stocks, there's real transactions. So you would hear some of the stock guys saying that they couldn't find a locate or they couldn't get borrows or whatever. because their service is they literally need to buy stock from someone that's willing to sell it. And what the locates does is it's locating pockets of stock. So sometimes your order gets partially filled. Even if you want to trade 1,000 contracts or 1,000 stocks, if there's not a willing seller, your trade can maybe get filled partially, or 25% or 50%. Like I told you that one night when I sat with the one friend and we chatted about a stock, and she was like, okay, wait, hold on. She bought 10 million rand worth of the one stock, SPYDR, and she got filled in 3 increments. The 5 million got filled first, then it was another 2.5 million, and then another 2.5, and then they get like an average price of where they got filled. But that's actual stock that you're trading.
Yeah.
It's the firecracker, it's the T2, it's the 222, it's the big satchel. Call it what you want.
It's known by many, but only truly known by 2. And when they sell, it's the same thing. You won't always get the exact price you want. Yeah.
Okay.
2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Keegan, did you see his wife? It was a Graham's post. Wait, it was a what? His wife. It was a Graham's post. Yeah, no, I saw it on Instagram. If that's who you're talking about. But yeah, he was still with, it was his 60th anniversary. His wife looks like an old Tanny, bro. This man's like fresh, bro. Looks like he just came out of Monaco. And his wife looks like she's about to...
Who's that?
The Wall Street guy.
Sheesh.
And yeah, he looks like he's probably like, I'd say late 70s, maybe early 80s, but like he's super young.
Are you watching, my bro?
My bro.
That thing is like saying, hold on to my beer.
Hey, guys, it's going to get uncomfortable, but we like it uncomfortable, yeah. We like it when it gets uncomfortable, boys. 1 minute.
Oh,
Yo, hopefully we're going to go for that gap fill. I'm okay with that, bro.
Bro. Like we like.
That's the trade there, bro.
I liked it.
Guys, I promise you, what Chris and myself were waiting for, I promise you now, this was the move, yeah. Literally, that close above there, bar, bang. That was the move. And then, I'd probably say, where is it? There?
Yeah, that's it.
There, that's TP. That would have been TP. That literally is a trade, guys. That's what we wanted. But now we're going to improvise. Are we going
to wait for breaks back in the range, eh? Or are you going to... That I've never seen... I don't think I've seen it like this.
This is uncharted territory, yeah, bro.
I'm going to wait for a break back in the... Okay, wait. Yeah, here we go.
All right, Chad.
Here we go.
There we go.
go.
3, 2, 1. Round 6, baby. And the markets are open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Dude, what is happening here?
These things are choosing violence today.
Bro, who did they let loose here? What is going on here, Chad?
You ready for it, bro?
Sheesh. Chad, that's good. Woof.
Yeah.
Woof.
Yeah.
Dude, what is happening here? Was there like a long weekend?
We gonna...
Huh? What is this, my bro?
Bro, what is this? Bro, I really don't feel comfortable doing this now.
I don't know if I'm dude.
Chad, I'm going for it because it's the rules. I have to go for it. It's the rules, but yo, this can hurt.
Okay. Nine, dude. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm in.
That is uncomfortable, bro.
Yo.
That is uncomfortable.
Might not even get a chance to pull stops here.
Just as how? Why does 60 pips look so big yet today?
Remember, the volatility is somewhat muted.
Hey, I'm like, is it me?
Okay, got a little bar limit in there. Let me just modify the buy limit.
This is not comfortable, Chad. I promise you now, this is not comfortable.
49.55. Why can't I modify it? Stop loss 48.94. 40.
I wanna be a Simba Chippy.
48.94. Okay, there we go.
See, bro, this is not comfortable.
Yeah, this could be the day where
They're gonna make us fight for the hat trick, bro.
40.
Can the T2 give us the hat trick?
Okay, I've got my.
Did you scale in already?
No. I put a
Oh.
buy limit there. So otherwise, a lot of times you get slip disc.
Come on. We want that hat trick, baby.
Here's the thing: if you break that previous daily high,
If this thing breaks, bro, it's going.
okay, now it's just waiting. I put my buy limits in. I've got my first little position.
Where's your buy limit?
In the middle.
In the middle.
Yeah, in the middle. Very close to getting filled. Okay, filled. Oof. Could be a quick. Yeah, there we go. Going for those stops. Still in.
Come on, fight back.
Sheesh.
Fight back, baby.
Dude, but what broke in the market?
I don't
like
know,
that
bro.
thing popped, and
I want to just see quickly. What's DXY doing? Come on, fight. You can do it.
DXY is at the low of the session, consolidating.
Fight back.
Nasdaq testing that EQ day. There must have been some news, dude. I'm going.
Something happened, but
Yeah.
I mean,
Daily R1 rejecting massively on the 5-minute. About to get clapped here. Wait, still in.
yo, bro. Come on. Fight back. Hold Asia highs. Hold it.
Yeah, bro, that was messy.
Bro.
That is messy. If you can just hold, yeah. Yo, my dude.
Come on.
Yo, my
Come
dude.
on.
My dude. If this thing goes up from here, like we've kissed.
Yeah.
That thing kissed my stop almost. Yo.
Bro, this was rough.
We need to take a picture of this trade, Keeks, afterwards, because look at that. It's the first time it's broken like that, and to maybe wait for the first break back. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
So let's see how it plays out. Then afterwards, let's take a mental note of this one, because this is a rare case.
Come on. Fight back. Bro, if this thing comes back,
Dude, I don't know
If
what
this
to
thing
say.
comes
I
back-
don't know what to say, my guy.
this will be a story for a hat trick. But I'm still not comfortable yet, bro.
No,
I'm
no,
not
no,
comfortable
no,
yet.
no. Not even a little bit.
But bro, when we saw this thing take off in the start, we already knew hier kom kak.
Yes, Gigs, it's I don't think I've seen it like that though.
Nah,
like usually
I must say I haven't. This literally was a first. The
Yeah.
first was taking a trade like this.
but let's see what is gold doing. I can't take my eye off the chart. I know
That's the thing, bro. I don't wanna.
I feel like I'm holding it up. If I'm looking, I'm tensing my body, and it's like, come on,
Okay,
US 30.
Nas is bouncing back strong,
US
bro.
30.
Gold's bouncing back. DXY, come on, US 30. Do it for the Chad. Do it for the Chad.
Oh, Keeks,
Ah,
Keeks, Nas, fight,
bro,
dude.
this thing put us.
Oh no, it's putting us. It's looking like it wants to put us on a stretcher now, or not,
Yeah.
or not.
Nah, bro. I think the hat trick is it's a long shot yet today. Now
You see what I'm seeing now?
we on like our 8th man at the moment,
Oof.
bro. Our 8th batter and 9th batter. They lost in yeah. They try and just keep us there. These boys don't hit home runs.
It's going. It's going. No, man. Why do this, US City?
The boys wanted a back-to-back-to-back. But US City was like, no, not today. Not today.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to. It wants to hurt us, bro. It wants to. It really wants.
It's either going to hurt us, bro, or, as I say, or this is going to be a story.
Yeah, it's going. It's gonna hurt us now. No, it's gonna hurt us now. Ugh. Ugh.
Bro.
Chad, baby. Bro, if you can just get past that. Oh, no, it's good.
Nah, I think,
there we go. There
I
we
think
go.
we're in trouble.
Wait. Still in. Still, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. There, out.
Yeah.
Cracker.
All right, Chad. Couldn't get the hat trick. We couldn't get the hat trick. I know we weren't responding to the Chad, but we were locked in there. Not the way we wanted to start off today, Chad. Not the way we wanted to start this one off.
I want to check yesterday. Yesterday.
That thing was aggressive. Respect to the low. Chris is to blame. No P for TP. I told you if Chris doesn't P, we fade it. Boys. Never been that close that it hasn't taken you out for 2 seconds later. So, man, Chris, why didn't you go pee today?
Dude, the P is only coming out. Chad, the only thing that I mentioned earlier why I would have liked to sell was just for that EQ and daily pivot to be punched. But it is what it is. Yesterday we took it. Also, Kicks, I'm checking here yesterday.
Yeah.
What did we do yesterday? Yesterday we sold.
Turtle Wave also took a hit on the buys. Try one more in the sales. After this, I'm done for the day.
Alrighty.
There, DXY is making the comeback. Naz is still going bullish though. Naz is holding on.
Yeah, Naz is.
So I want to look at something. Yeah, hold on. Expecting that R1, expecting previous daily highs. That's there.
Kicks, what I will say is, if it, I've got a 0.25 of bullet.
I was gonna say if I think Yumi gonna look for the same thing,
Yeah.
I'll sell. If it gives us, I think we're looking at the same thing. I'll take a shot at the sell.
But it needs to reject though. If it rejects.
Yeah.
Chad, this is what I was looking at a little bit earlier. Let me just get it on here.
Oh, there, bro. Flip, we missed it.
There, so, yeah, no, but no, I'm actually talking about the potential buy down
You want to
here.
buy?
The potential buy once we rip in here and
Chad,
come back.
I'm gonna take a second. Reason be, I think Chris will know what I'm
Yeah.
looking at. He'll know, but I'm taking a potential.
Are you in yet?
Yeah, I'm in. I'm gonna purely do only a 30 pip on this one, guys. So we're only gonna do a 30 pip, yeah. A bit aggressive, but this is me. I have 2 bullets for the day. I haven't taken obviously my other shot.
Yeah, dude. I think for me that EQ and daily pivot is like a magnet. I think it wants to go there.
Yeah.
Daily Asia lows, daily pivot EQ. I feel like it wants to just punch that level. Because look left, round about 10:30, and then 10:12 did like a little equal low on the 5 minute, and I think it's gonna. I like the short idea.
Yeah. So Chad, we are having a bit. Ooh.
I like the short idea.
Bit aggressive, but hey, if we make something back, we make something back. But I like this move.
I think they're gonna punch that daily EQ pivot.
Well, that's what I'm looking at, bro. My thing is, this thing could even crash a bit.
Like I told you, I'm liking the sells more just for a bit of a pullback on the dailies.
Yeah.
But the firecracker gave us the buy. Obviously, buy got cracked, but the sell, beautiful. There we go. They need to punch the Asia lows
Yeah, this thing needs
as
to
a
punch
minimum.
through.
Yeah, they're gonna punch that level. There we go. There you go.
Chad, I'm gonna go break even purely because, yeah, if you guys know what I'm looking at, obviously the EQ there.
I think they're gonna punch it though, bro.
No, I
Yeah.
do, but I'm just saying.
Oh
I'm gonna
yeah,
go break
check. There we
even.
go. There we go.
Chad.
There they punched
There we
it.
go.
Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well played there, dude. I know exactly what you. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, at least it made something back for us, Chad.
Yeah, beautiful. They've punched that level.
We made something back there, so.
Daily flip as well. If this thing flips bearish on the day, I think it's in for a little bit of trouble, eh?
Yeah, it was. We had to think on our toes a bit there, but.
Yeah, there's that punch, Chad. That's beautiful. Yeah, I didn't take the sell. I've already taken 3 losses today. So Keegan, that was Keegan's first trade of the day. So beautiful. I don't wanna put petrol on an open fire.
Yeah, so yeah, Fobs, that's my thing. Honestly, if we can get even a retest, so if we can get a close under the EQ, again, we're gonna maybe do a little bit of a scalping masterclass here today. If we get a close, just as this thing's going, a nice close underneath, maybe a possible retest of that EQ, I'll look to short it again. But yeah, we want to see what this thing's gonna do here for us now.
No, but dude, check how perfect that TP is. Dude, check it. Sheesh. Alrighty, Chad. Talk about being nimble, dynamic.
Perfect example of being adaptive. Hey, there we go, Jason.
Well done. Well done. What is gold doing? Yeah, Chad, gold just dying from that Asia low level. I don't think we would have gotten an entry, to be honest. It's just straight dying off that 200. Previous daily low, yeah, just absolutely crumbling here. US 30, okay, there's, you check, Chad, that's what I wanted to see, that dip into that zone. Keys, dude, I still...
No, bro, again, like now, Chris, you know exactly what we're saying. Guys, this is like we're going to be doing scalping here today. Like if we had to, again, now you could go back for the buys. But like I said, this is a scalping thing. It's part of the T2 is what we're using here to do this. But yeah, it's not something I'd ever say I want to promote. This is literally us catching on cuck, but in a educated way, if you want to call it that.
Okay, Keeks, but looking at where you took your entry, if we come back there and we reject, dude, I might think the sales are on again, eh?
No, that's the key area for us right now.
Dude, I think the sales could be on again. Yo, we took the sales yesterday, eh?
Yeah. I'm just saying, Chad, if you guys are going to see me, we're going to try and work some magic here today.
Okay, okay, Chad, it's getting there. Check that, Keeks. So let's check now.
I need to wait for the next one.
Yeah, I need to see a clear rejection though.
Yeah, so I'm waiting first.
I need to see a nice clear rejection, and that's also the 200 EMA on the 5 minute. Eh? So interesting, very very nice level here. Okay, so I'm gonna check for that 1 minute. If it does close below, and then I'm gonna wait for another rejection similar to what you had.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, look at that 5 minutes, no bottom wick. No candle closures, but okay, check there. Okay, check there. Okay. Next 1 minute chat. I'm gonna wait 1 more minute. We might get another little short position here. Yeah, there's a nice 5 minute wick fill. That previous 5 minute. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Go test that level for us.
This for me now is the retest.
Yeah,
This is what I
see.
want to see, the third one.
If this one fails,
Because you had a
then-
tap, you had a pull away, now the
Yeah.
third one. Either needs to carry on pulling away or get back above. Break it. So this is what we want to see. Again, can be some DJ activity we're going to catch on here today, Chad. Or you're going to see us firsthand sculpting. This is a one-time thing, guys. You don't always see us do this.
I won't take the lower breaker on the EQ. No, it's if the EQ wasn't there.
I would. I'll take
Now
it.
on this 1 minute.
Depending how the closure.
Yo, that's very aggressive.
It's all just depending on the closure, yeah, bro.
Yeah. Oh,
That I won't take. That I
no,
won't take.
mine closed in, eh?
Mine's also in Asia range and above the EQ. That I'm not taking yet.
Yes, dude, that upper level. Let's check. Maybe we go for it again. Maybe we go for it again.
Chad.
But Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq taking session highs now. All right, what's gold doing?
What is DXY doing? DXY, Asia highs.
Sorry, Chad, we're gonna get into the. We had some very crucial levels here. Things are gonna start moving very shortly in a big way. We haven't actually moved, if you consider it. We basically very close to that 4902 level, so we haven't expanded away. We've taken highs, we've taken lows.
Oh. Hey, Chad, there remember we said about this morning gold 2500. So there you go.
Wait for the 4-hour close on US30. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
for
here
me,
we go, Kigs. Let's see.
I must say I'd still like DXY to reject Asia highs, go bearish, and then US30 to go bullish for us.
Dude, I like the sells, man. I like the sells.
No, I do, but I think we need to see DXY give us something then, because Nasdaq's throwing me off a bit. But on the 5, bro, on the 5, US30 looks good.
That looks beautiful on the 5. DXY,
You
Asia.
rejected the 200 as well.
Okay, let's see. We're going for that level again. It's going to take some patience here. It's going to take some patience here.
This thing's making us think, yeah, bro.
Sales hit TP on turtle wave. Hey, bro, well done. Well done on the turtle soup. Sure, that was quick, Ed. Quick little turtle. Oh, Ed, I check with you, but again, it's like that one scenario we chatted about, where it's a little bit uncomfortable. The bars are on, the sells are on, but the sells taking the lead. Yeah, beautiful, 70 pip there on the turtle wave.
Let's see. So what are you wanting it to do, bro?
I want to test that same level where you rejected,
Yeah.
that you took your first initial move off.
Yeah.
If it can test that level again and reject again, because it spent most of the day trading above it. So now you can have the other side of it where it will spend most of the day below it.
For me, a simple thing, bro. That EQ, if we can't get away from it, we going past it.
Gold.
Come on, Houston. Give us something. Give us something.
Yeah, above, I don't know. No.
You're not gonna take it with, bro.
The cells.
It's either one. So you only want to take the sell.
I like the cell. I like the cell, but I'm ready to pivot. If this current 1 minute rejects, will you take it?
The sell.
Yeah.
Yeah. DXY just broke Asia highs.
Because technically we've got 20 seconds to decide. There's the test. There's the test. We rejected it once. We rejected it twice. If you loved it, if you loved it lower.
If it doesn't run now and that gives us a decent entry, I'll take it again. I'll take it again. Are you gonna take it?
I've got 3 seconds to decide. I should be taking it. No, I can't. I don't have. I'm chalked for the day. I'm down. I'm down.
Something's telling me, bro. I still like the bar. That's my only problem.
I'm down 2%. I can't.
I like the bar. That's my problem.
I'm down 2%. No, I can't take it. Even if I wanted to.
Come on, give me the bar. Give me the bar. Give me the bar. That's what I want.
Let's check here.
Bro, if this thing does it again, I'm taking the sell then. Bro, I know, guys, I sound like I'm super confused here, but there's a reason behind the madness.
Yes, dude, but it sounds the good, my guy. Yeah, but I don't have ammo.
Bro, my trade alerts have been like, yo, Keegan's going for it today.
Yeah, Keegs, you have to, bro.
I did, bro.
Okay. You have
Chad, I had to. I had to do it.
to. You have to. Real men do it. I don't have bullets. You can go for it. Go for it.
Bro, and this one, to be fair, I'd even take the 1 to 2 now. Because I think the fact we're rejecting this thing's going to give us a break.
Yeah, unless something really starts breaking back to the upside. You already had 1 rejection where you took your first sell. We had a second rejection. We had 2 rejections, 2 candles now. So, dude, I like it. I like it.
Come on.
My ammo is just kaput for the day.
Chad, obviously I'm not watching the chat, so I apologize for that. I'm locked in here with this little bit of sculpting madness here today.
Okay, to be honest now, it needs to start getting lower.
It needs to do something, yeah.
Because if it
But
breaks...
that's also why the 30 pip stop here is very nice. It's very comfortable. So, because if this thing goes to 30 pips, for example, you're on the wrong side. Come on. I love how I said like I like the bars. The
Yeah,
day,
took the
the one,
sell.
and I said to you, bro, like I want the bars, but it had to give me the entry for the sell. I enter for the sell, and now there goes the bar. Flipping hell. Okay, Chad, I'm gonna basically be back down where I was after the first trade now. Yeah, Chad, that one hit me. That one hit me though. It did take me. I can show you guys. Yeah, that got me. Yeah, Chad, I'm now literally back to where we started after this. Literally back to where we started.
But to be honest, Geeks, the buy, it never showed us it wanted to buy. If you look at the levels we're looking at.
Yeah.
It honestly, the buy was not on there for me.
You're smashing them, yeah. Take the buy, Keys. You are bullish.
No.
Why did I not read that message before I took the trade?
What message?
Literally the chat, like, take the buy, you are bullish.
This is the most exciting. Dude, this is the most trades I think we've taken in one session. We usually do 3 trades, or I do 3-4 trades a week. Okay, I only took the one knock. Keegan at least put some ammo back in his chamber.
Guys, if this one hit me, I never would have taken that one. This one just gave me the ammo to shoot another bullet.
Very choppy session.
Yeah.
Very, very choppy session. There's Nasdaq session hours. Gold 2500 holding. No, it's a chop fest here.
Yeah, and the thing is, guys, I must say I don't like when all of them are moving. USD is bullish, Nasdaq's bullish, gold's going bullish again now,
Dollar's
DXY is
going
bullish.
bullish.
I don't like that. I don't like that. Hey,
Yo, that was intense, bro. I'm tensed up here. I need to give you
you're
some.
firing some shots there, bro.
Yo, Chad. That was some chop. If they didn't chop you on the buys, they chopped you on the sells, and now they're gonna chop you again on the buys.
Yeah, no, guys, I think these trading conditions you don't want to be in. So either way, like I will not enter another one because I think you're just gonna get chopped. Yeah.
Chad, here's the thing. There's that daily R1 up there. Came back inside the Asia session. There's that level we wanted to see punched. Punch that level there. Now coming all the way back up. This right here. So yeah, I don't know what time was this. Holy smokes. Okay, yesterday was also a bit of a chop fest if I look at it. Look at that. That's a bit of a chop fest. And then yeah, it's not I don't know. I like no. I wouldn't have done anything differently.
Yeah.
I think the bars we took here are good. It could have worked out. I think we're going to screenshot that specific one. I'm also going to go back, Keegs, and look specifically what happened on that one. But again, we wouldn't have done anything different. Our bias was given. So
No. Bro, I'm chill with that. We had 2 massive wins in a row coming off of last week already. So, bro, I'm okay with taking a loss. Sell from your ejection from 6 for retracement. Oi, oh.
chop suey.
Yeah, Del, you use it different on the 5 minutes.
Keegan's Chris, if you're trading on the 5 minute instead of the 1 minute, would you have used that bullet different? No.
Damn, look at DXY.
Look at
Yes,
gold. Chad, what is happening here? Oh, Keeks, damn, bro. Listen here, the non-farm payroll, the revision. I completely forgot about it. The non-farm payrolls benchmark revision. Flip sakes. Everyone, let's just check here. Chad. Let me quickly find this for us. Let's check here. Dude, I think it has to do something. Sure, this thing is chopping the gas.
No, this is conditions, bro.
Yo, Chad, this thing is chopping. Look at DXY.
Bro, even US30 completely turned around again.
Chad, look at DXY. Look at US30. Again, Aztec is a little bit. This thing is untethered. It's like, and then yeah. I'm gonna try and find some news on the revised oil surges, just shy of 1% with Red Sea focus back in play. Sees recovery ahead of non-farm payrolls revisions. US dollar sees recovery evaporated of non-farm payrolls. Chad, I want to try and see if I can get some data on move the needle. Markets were rattled by the latest US non-farm payrolls number on the first Friday of August. Unwinding. Okay, daily digest. Oh, what is the Fed futures doing? Fed futures jump as well. Fed futures still pretty pinned. No, Chad, good luck. If you got out today unscathed, very well done.
Yeah.
No, honestly, well played to you. Well played to you. That is some chop there. If you got out of this alive, beautiful. 30. There we go. Savannah. Oh, Savannah.
Bro, I love how literally USD's all the way right back at the bottom.
I just NSL. Good luck, my brother. I think it can work. I think it can't work.
DXY back down again.
It's just very choppy at this stage. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you.
Nah, for me, bro, this is chalked.
I bought on the half past candle and pulled at the top. Luckily, beautiful. Good day, 2Gs. What would be the risk you guys use on a 5K funded account? I usually start off with 1% risk. If it's going well, I keep it at 1%. Maybe to the tail end, I'll do 1.52% on the scalps. If it's going cuck, like it's going with me currently, I go 0.5% risk. I'm actually going to have to go down again. I'm down 5.5%, Chad. So I'm going to go down again to 0.25 now. Because obviously if I look at my equity curve just for the last month, it is looking horrific. Let me check here. It is looking horrific. So I have to pull back again. Let's check here. Have to pull back again. Yeah, no. My equity curve is there's no edge for me currently. I've got no edge here. Consolidated, took a knock. Consolidated again. So scaling it back completely.
What now?
US30 is taking souls, my guy.
Yo.
US30 is taking souls.
Bro, as I said, I think this thing can crash, bro. Like, crash. Like, when you look at that higher time frame, bro, that there. Break this, yeah, bro. Break that, and I think US30 is gone.
That daily, where was the daily flip? Hat tricks are meant. Just that I want to go pee now, but it's too late. That pee is not gonna help us now, but I'm gonna pee anyway.
Guys, if anyone's in this, I think, yo, if you break this level, yeah, and this thing starts running nicely, yo, this thing is gonna fly. I think that is the level for US30 right there. That thing is gone after that. Chose a good day to stay out of New York session. That you did, brother. That you did. Everyone else is just getting chopped out here. Oaks don't know what's happening, what's left, what's right. The thing for me is, like, as much as this is down, yeah, it can still pull back because DXY now is, I mean, look at that, bro. There's the retest of the EQ. And now, yo, guys, I don't know. As much as this looks super good, you can literally trade for the daily S1, like, yo, but it's, yeah, it's rough. Yeah, that is a lot of price happening on US30. Murder is in, what? Murder is the case. Volfunder slipped me 20 pips on gold with that 5-minute drop. Some Cosmic Rue is saying Volfunder slipped him.
There was something that came out, like the markets, something fundamentally.
Nasdaq about to drop, I'll take it. Whew. Bro, rather you than me. You got some balls to trade these conditions.
30. Nasdaq about to drop. Dude, one thing I've seen about Nasdaq is that maverick. Nasdaq is that one that will do its own thing. Sorry. Nasdaq will say, hold on to my beer. Choose a good day to stay out of the... Yeah, Jason, you chose the perfect day. What about take your daily drawdown limit divided by 20 days? Go for more sell. Yes, Bugatti, no. I think the idea was right. I bought, okay, just entered. Saved my bullets today. Hey, Fubs, beautiful. Luckily, we paid to play here today. We paid to play. It wasn't fun. Nasdaq is a
fun, bro.
Yeah, dude, Nasdaq is like, bro, that thing will diverge for like 3 days. And you'll be like, dude, but S&P is down, US30 is down, and Nasdaq's just like, bro, I don't care. I don't care what you guys are busy with.
Yeah, but that's the usual, bro. Nasdaq's always like on its own mission.
There wasn't there wasn't even an entry now. Keeks the sell. For the sells.
US30. No, I mean even on our other chart, no. If anything, guys, it's ballsy, but because we know this is like a low. If this starts rejecting here, you could try take it here, but that is ballsy. That's a big move to make. Because the thing is, guys, the sells look very good. We spoke about this, but at the same time, DXY is not doing anything. How can you sell these when dollar's not coming to the body?
Peter liking the gold bars. Peter, I like the gold bars. If we could have come back into the Asia range. Only thing is now where it's at. Let me just check. Why do I have a zone here? Is this that daily zone? Oh yeah. Yeah, they took the previous daily low. Yeah, Peter, I think today's candle close is going to be pretty interesting. I think if today's daily candle closes something like this down here, I think we can have another bearish day at least to this weekly pivot, because there's that monthly R1. But otherwise, if this daily candle here closes above this flat body support area here, tomorrow is going to be very interesting. But like we said, we would still love for that pullback here, get that out of the way, come and retest this zone, push into it, and then the next move higher. But today's daily candle close, very, very interesting. And the reason why I say that is because if today's daily candle closes above, it's taken a previous daily low, and then it can push up tomorrow.
We need to close below yesterday's open. Also, something, guys, again, we're literally watching this all unfold in front of us, though, but that US 30 all the way back on where that literal 4-hour low for the break is, the 15-minute 200's literally sitting there perfectly.
US 30. Dude, and you know what the weird thing is? US 30 is still bullish on the day.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, it's literally just down 0.07%.
But that's what we always say to guys, like, these things can have pullbacks, because this is still like nothing for it yet.
No, it hasn't even gone bearish. Like, if this thing is gonna go bearish, it's gonna pile drive now.
Like, this thing
It hasn't even taken yesterday's low yet.
Yeah. Bro, imagine it gets to the point it flips the whole weekly candle bearish.
Yo.
That's when it's gonna bring the pain, bro. It's a Wednesday. Think of it as yes, there it goes, eh?
Way down.
Bro, that thing's gone.
Pile driver. Driving of the piles. Nas candle. What is Nas doing? Yo, there goes Nas.
Is Nas
Daily
also going?
Daily R1. Check daily R1. Nuked. Nukage.
DXY just needs to come back, bro. If DXY is not doing anything, I'm like, how? How is this gonna continue?
DXY coming lower. US 30 getting clapped. Nasdaq clapped.
They just all taking shots.
Okay, gold is back. Yeah, Chad, I don't know how I would have gotten an entry here. Previous daily low, daily S1, beautiful hold there. Yeah, no, I don't, dude. Yeah, you can take this break if you've got bullets. I don't have bullets. This is a reversal pattern, little double bottom. There's the break of the neck, and with the volume we have, it would need to just push, just drive, but nothing's making sense here. None of these moves are making sense. Initially, US 30 made beautiful sense, that push to the EQ. But then after that...
Yeah. Initially, it was a great idea here today.
Initially, it was.
But I must say, guys, the sells, DXY is not doing anything. Gold's like, I don't know, Nasdaq now coming to the party. Guys, I'm not going to trade these conditions. I'm not. If you guys are in this beautiful, as I said, I think you can be potentially literally 4670. I think 4700 is, even the previous weekly high, is a very nice target. Because if you take the previous daily low and that quick pump of taking the previous daily low, I think previous weekly highs is a nice target. But yeah, this is a big move, guys.
Fed futures. The game is not fun when you lose, bro.
What's this?
No, I say the game, the trading game. It's no fun when you lose. It's only fun when you win.
The boys don't like to lose.
Employment increased in 300 out of 300 largest US countries from March. National employment rose by 1. Anyone see the revisions? They were due today in Dover. That's what I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to get some headline news because a lot of guys said it was quite big. They were revising down the jobs. And I can't find anything on it. Yeah, did something snapped a little bit there in the market for a couple of minutes.
Broke.
Oh, it hasn't been. Market reacts to the BLS revision number, which hasn't been published yet. How do we react to something that hasn't been published?
Yeah, so it's almost, there's no way anyone could have.
Sniff, sniff. Smells like a market maker got a big bag there. Doesn't it just prove that these numbers are meaningless? The market did something because of the number and had no clue what the number was because it didn't exist. I don't know if the 0.8 suit is true, but it would be quite funny. It's right, the data still hasn't dropped yet. Okay, so there was definitely some manipulation there. The numbers haven't dropped yet. I don't even know what number they're revising. Is it just the previous monthly number or they're revising all of the numbers? I would need to look into it, chat. It sure was an interesting 15 minutes though. Dude, this was very interesting. This was very, very interesting. The preliminary growth is front and center today. It's gotten more play than usual. Historic laws reviewing it. Chad, what is this BLS preliminary annual? Oh, it's the annual revision. Federal Reserve official Powell acknowledged that the payroll growth may have been overstated. Moreover, the Fed judgment of labor was not based on element of one. Given the extent, okay, chat. So it's the annual. So where we look at the monthly payroll, the stats is basically revising their forecast for the entire year. So somebody said less than 1 million. If it's less than 1 million, that technically means that real jobs added is less than 100K per month, or by 1 million. Somewhere saw relatively quiet local session. Okay, America, mini market. Oh, sorry, Chad, here's it. Let me quickly throw on my screen, found it. Estimates of a downward revision range from around 600K to 1 million from the 2.9 million non-farm payroll growth the BLC has reported. At the high end, it translates into about 83K fewer jobs a month on average, or about 38% lower. The revision would confirm what many have suspected, that the balance of risk has shifted from inflation to employment. Where's Andre? Where's the guys that on Monday when I chatted about CPI becoming a non-event? So the balance of risk has shifted from inflation to employment. The soft land rhetoric is about employment. The New York Fed survey released earlier this week found that the number of Americans who think it is likely that they will be unemployed in the next 4 months reached a 10-year high. Okay. Yet we suspect the downward revision will not come as a significant surprise to the Fed, and the August jobs report September 6 is expected to be somewhat better than July, with a third more jobs created, and the unemployment rate may have eased a little. The FOMC minutes are likely to confirm the lower bar for a September rate cut, but without the sense of a panic. The economy is not overheating, making the current maximum restrictive policy is no longer necessary. Okay. Interesting. So the markets reacted to something which has not even come out yet. That is very, very scammy. That is very scammy. Chad, if you talk about algorithms, I don't know what headlines come out, but this is what algorithmic trading looks like, reacting on headlines. But yeah, dude, that's me for the day. Clipped.
Yeah, I think that is it, Chad. I'm not going to force anything, as we always say. As you'll know, all good things come to an end. Last week we got the hat trick. This week we couldn't quite do it. So falling a little bit short, but again we bounce back. We'll bring it in literally next session. So hopefully tomorrow, let's see. Maybe we chop it up in London and in New York, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just watching USD. Like now it's turned around again. Guys, you can't trade that. You can't trade that. You literally are just getting absolutely annihilated in every direction.
Mollywopped.
Yeah. So yeah, best to rather walk away than try, because I think the more you always say, the more you're gonna sit there and look at it, you're gonna get yourself into trouble. Chris, any closing remarks then from you, bro?
No, I think the very volatile session, no direction really. I don't think we did anything wrong. I think the sells were on there. Like technically the sells confirmed. Just turned around completely. The buys, we obviously, like I said, we're going to screenshot this. Myself and Keegan are going to dissect it a little bit further. That is the potential where I think we would have still entered the buys because our bias is predetermined.
Yeah.
I think we still would have entered the buys. It's just a case of looking back on events like this because there's something.
The thing is, bro, it's the first time we ever saw that happen.
Yeah.
And when we're looking at conditions, these are not normal conditions.
So the envelope was a little bit bent on our side. So it's a case of we haven't seen this type of movement at an open. So we're going to check it out. Maybe if we can't find more times like this, then obviously this is an anomaly. It's a statistical outlier. We just throw it out. We don't even consider it. But if it's something that we can pick up a pattern, we either just throw out days like this completely and we don't trade it, or there's a way that we can look at finding correlations between the days. But that's for us to go back and go and work on. But other than that, Chad, it was a rough session. It was rough. Quick and rough.
Yeah. But Chad, I think there's not more to say about that. So again, we're going to see you guys tomorrow nice and early for London, and let's see how strong we can bounce back. But as always, guys, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby.
Keek, sorry, before you go, did US30 play prison rules today? Chad, peace and love, baby.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.